You may have seen Formula One car in videos of F1 here and there, also seen its highly interactive and compact steering wheel with lots of buttons. But have you ever thought about why F1 steering wheel is so compact, why it has so many different buttons and switches on it? What are their purpose, and most common asked question, what is the cost of Formula One car steering wheel? Hello guys, it's me Deepak. You are watching F1 with Deepak, your one-stop destination for all F1 content, previews, talking point and much more. So without further ado, let's begin and watch the full video for more details. Formula One car is a high performance and a complex machine capable of reaching speeds up to 350 km per hour. But what really separates the great driver from the rest of the pack is their ability to handle the steering wheel in sharp corners. In this video, we will take a closer look at the art of Formula One steering and we'll cover all these Formula One steering controls and buttons. The steering wheel on a Formula One car is a complex piece of equipment featuring variety of buttons and switches that allow driver to make adjustment while driving. But at its core, the driving wheel is simple device that just about managing the control of car. Let's understand the function of its numerous buttons and rotary switches, why and when they are used during the Formula One race events. Commonly, F1 steering wheels comes in similar sizes for all teams. They are ranging from 25 to 30 cm wide depending upon the team's requirement and most importantly, driver preferences. The layout and the grip position of steering wheel are very important for drivers. They normally do the customization of buttons, layout and positioning of handle for quick use, as they have to sometimes operate these buttons even without looking at them due to the fact of muscle memories they gain while practicing in F1 race weekend and during the simulator times. We will talk about the most common and widely used button during the Formula One race weekend. First being screen. This is the LCD screen ranging from 3 to 5 inches in size, provide drivers with crucial information like sector times, engine mode, gear shift, tire temperature and last lap details and much more. Second, pit confirm. Use of this button will send the automated confirmation to the pit garage that driver is ready to box for new tires so that the team can be prepared with everything when car comes to the pit lane. Third, speed limiter. This button will allow car to drive at a certain speed even with driver accelerating at full throttle. This function is used when cars are driving through pit lane. The speed normally is set around 80 km per hour in the pit lane. This is due to the major safety reason, as in pit lane there are hundreds of people from other teams known as pit crews. Third, rotary switches. These switches play a really important part in fine during the car setting. Why switches are rotary and not buttons? Well, it is very simple. These switches has different engine and race mode ranging from 10 to 100 modes per switch, which can condition car at a very fine tune and provide more power setting for car according to the race conditions and driver convenience. Next is DRS. This button is very powerful during the overtakes. Whenever a car is behind another car within the 1 second gap, then in a specified DRS zone, driver can use this button to gain extra 15 to 20 km/h speed to overtake the car in front easily. It is operated electrically. An actuator located at the rear end of the car actuates the DRS flap shaft, which will trigger the DRS flap to be placed horizontally, which allows less air resistance so that car can gain more speed in straight line. Next, drink. This button allows an electrically actuated pump to send in drinking water through helmets so that driver can drink water during the races. It is very important as F1 races can be very physical, as a track and car itself generate more heat. Drivers have to bear this throughout the race. Talk button. This button will allow drivers to send in voice radio messages to the team, and team can provide drivers with crucial information like lap times, sector times, cars, engine modes and box strategy. So this is the simplest and basic explanation of F1 steering wheels, buttons and their use in race weekend. Now the main question arises, how much this advanced steering wheel cost? When on an estimate, an average F1 steering wheel costs around $50,000 to $60,000, which is around 40 to 50 lakhs in Indian rupees. That's a lot for a steering wheel, but considering its advanced technology, it is really worth in the cost of F1 technology in F1 world. So this is all from my side. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.